Good morning, students. We have already discussed your chapter number 1, some points, okay, as programming language, machine language, that are the generation of computer languages. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. And language processor or translator also. We have already discussed. Here, we will discuss the topic that is number system and classification of number system, conversion of binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Only these both conversion is given in your syllabus. Okay, let's start. Actually, what is a number system? Number system is basically, it is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine and its electronic circuit generates. और ये क्या करता है? Circuit generate करता है. Which type का? Electronic circuit. And identify only two different pulses. और identify क्या करता है? Two different pulses. What are the different pulses? 1 and 2. Sorry, 1 and 0. 1 for on and 0 for off. These both are the binary forms. Okay, all you have know that this thing. So each binary number is called a bit. आपकी जो bits होती हैं वो किसके इक्वल होती हैं? Each binary number, and the collection of 8 bits is called a 1 byte. Okay, next is, how many types of number system is there? Two types, that is positional and non-positional. Positional are binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. So let us discuss. First one is non-positional number system. So what is the non-positional number system? In non-positional number system, in ancient time people use stones, pebbles, twigs, fingers to count the things. कुछ भी चीज को काउंट करने के लिए पीपल्स क्या यूज करते थे पहले? पेबल्स का, ट्विग्स का, फिंगर्स का, इन सब का यूज करते थे. when 10 fingers were not adequate, but उसमें क्या होता था कि हमारी जो 10 fingers है वो, ये तो ज़रूरी नहीं होता था कि हमने फर्स्ट फिंगर जिसको माना वो नेक्स्ट टाइम भी फर्स्ट फिंगर उसी को मानेंगे. तो कोई जो उनकी काउंटिंग थी वो फिक्स नहीं थी, क्योंकि वो स्टोन्स और ट्विक्स यूज करते थे. बाय दिस सिस्टम कॉम्प्लेक्स और साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेशन कैन नॉट बी परफॉर्म. जो हमारी कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशन होती थी और जो साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेशन होती थी वो परफॉर्म नहीं हो पाती थी. हैंस पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम वॉज डेवलप. तब उन्होंने क्या किया? पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम को डेवलप किया. ओके, पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम इज व्हाट? द नंबर कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ फ्यू सिंबल्स, जिसके अंदर कुछ सिंबल्स होते हैं जिन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? डिजिट कहा जाता है. दीज आर कॉल्ड digits. These symbol represent different values or weight depending on the position they occupy in the number on the following basis. मीन्स जो आपके नंबर होते हैं, जो सिंबल्स जो रिप्रेजेंट करता है वैल्यूज और वेट के अकॉर्डिंग, वो क्या होते हैं? वो अपनी पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग नंबर ऑक्यूपाई करते हैं. मीन्स जितनी उसकी पोजीशन होती है, जैसे जीरो की पोजीशन अगर टेंस है, in case zero is presented tens position, that is a different value, ones position a different value, and the 100 position is a different value. So we can change the position of numbers by the behalf of the digit itself, the position of digit in the number, and the base of number. These all are depend on positional number system. Okay, I hope you understand this thing. Next is type of positional number system. बच्चे, these are the four types. First one is binary, decimal, hexadecimal and octal. Binary base is 2. इसका base कितना होता है? 2. Decimal is 10. Hexadecimal is 16 and octal is 8. These are four types of number system. Okay, let me discuss one by one. फर्स्ट वन इज हेयर डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. बच्चे, डेसिमल मीन्स जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में अपनी यूज करते हैं. द नंबर सिस्टम वी यूज इन अवर डे टू डे लाइफ इज कॉल्ड द डिजिटल नंबर सिस्टम, or we can say decimal number system. It has a base of 10. Why 10 is here? Because consists of a 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 10, 3, 4 up to 9. These included 0 also, so it is here 10 digits. These are called 10 digits, 0 to 9. This is called decimal number system. Examples are there: 4, 3, 2. This is also given in your book. I'm getting a number same as your from your book, so that you cannot confuse. First one is here. I have to take care 2. 2 is here. 2 multiplied by 10. 10 to the power 0. Always start from 0 up to add the number increasing. 2 into 10 to the power 0. 3, that is here. 3 into 10 to the power 1. 4 into 10 to the power 2. 0, 1, 2. The powers are increasing 0, 1, 2 up to. Okay, 4, 3, 2 is a example. So we can say that 0 is here digit position and 10 is what? Decimal number system means base of the number system. Okay, this is 4 into 10 to the power 2 is equals to 400. 3 into 10 to the power 1 is equals to 30 and 2 into 10 to the power 0 equals to 2. Why is 2? 10 to the power तो 0 है तो 2 कैसे हो गया? Because any number of power 0 is equals to always 1. किसी भी नंबर की अगर पावर 0 है बच्चे डोंट फॉरगेट दिस थिंग एनी टाइम. कभी भी आपको ये चीज़ नहीं भूलनी है कि अगर किसी भी नंबर की पावर 0 होती है तो always comes 1. Here is you can see example 10 to the power 0 is equals to 1, 0 to the power 0 equals to 1 and x power 0 equals to 1. Always it comes 1. So 2 into 1 is here, 10 to the power 0 1. So 2 into 1 is equals to 2. 400, then after that we have to add these things. 400 plus 30 plus 2 equals to 432. We have to add these digits. Okay, MSB. What is the MSB here? Most significant bit. Most significant bit मतलब जो आपकी सबसे लेफ्ट साइड की बिट होती है. This is the most significant call. 4 is here most significant bit. LSB is here least significant bit, which is the position at the ones. Is called 2. Okay. Next is here binary number system. This number system contains only two digits 0 and 1. What? 0 and 1. Therefore, it has a base of 2. All you know that this thing computer understand only 0 and 1 position. One number means it is the form of binary number system. This is a machine language also you can say. Therefore, it has a base of 2 because here is only 2 digits. The rightmost position is referred as 2 to the power 0 and the second position referred as 2 to the power 1 and so on up to any number. Okay, as we discussed earlier also this thing. Next is octal number system. What is octal number system? It contains 8 digits. What contains 8 digits? Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो ये डिजिट कितनी हो गई 8. Therefore it has base 8. इसका 8 कितना क्यों हो गया? Because we included here 0 also. The rightmost position is referred as 8 to the power 0. वहाँ पर क्या था आपका बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम में 2 to the power 0 and here is 8 to the power 0 is equals to 1 and the second position referred as 8 to the power 1 and so on up to the number. Okay. Next is hexadecimal number system. What is a hexadecimal number system? It contains 16 digits. In hexadecimal we contain 16 digits. What is the digits? 0 to 15. Okay, but 0 to 15 हम 15 तक लिखते नहीं है, बस हमें बोला गया 0 to 15 तक नंबर लेते हैं. Therefore it has a base of 16. The first 10 digits are same 0 to 9. हम 0 से लेके 9 तक सेम ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, but 10 rest of 6 digits 10 11 12 13 14 denoted by characters. Why by characters? Because अगर हम इसको 10 11 12 13 14 15 लिखेंगे तो ये हम समझने में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा कि 12 है या 12 है. This is create the confusion. So that to rectify this type of problem, we have A, B, C, D denoted as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and F respectively. Okay. Rightmost position is referred as 16 to the power 0 and the second position referred as 16 to the power 1 and so on. Okay, bache? So now we discuss conversion between decimal to binary and binary to decimal. In your syllabus only two conversions are there. Okay, so you can see the decimal conversion by the behalf of this video. See up to end. After that it will solve your problem. Okay, bache? So see, students, this is a basically example of you can say conversion of decimal to binary conversion. Okay, in this first one I have taken an example which is given also in your book. This is 16 and the base is 10. This is also given in your book. What? Binary. Okay. I hope you understand. You can see over here 16 is decimal number and 10 is, and what one we have to convert? Binary. What will come? First of all, 10 to decimal, means 10 to 2, decimal to binary. We have to follow divide rule. What is the divide rule here? Divide the given number by 2. Why 2? Because we have to convert in binary form until you get 1 as quotient and write the quotient and remainder. What we have to do? हमें quotient भी लिखना है और remainder भी लिखना है. How? Step by step. This is done by step by step. How? I have 60 number. I have to divide by the help of 2. 2 divided by 16 comes, quotient is 8, remainder comes 0. Again divide, 2 4s are 8, remainder is again 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder will be 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 0. So we have to write in the form of bottom to right, bottom to top, bottom to top. We have to write the number 1 0 0 0 again and 0. This is the binary equivalent. This what? 16 tens base to binary equivalent. What number? This is also given in your book, but there is the 1 0 is left. It's by mistake it will be wrong in your book. So what I have to do, friends? I have to I have to check my answer. How it will possible? First of all, multiple rule. Now I am here. What doing? I am doing here 16 to 1 0 0 0 0, 10 to 2. What I have to check? Binary to decimal. Multiple rule I have to follow here. How? First one is, first of all I have to return this number 1 0 0 0. I have to write this number 0 and into 2. Why 2 is here? Because I want to convert binary form, 2 to the power 0. Why 0? It is always start from 0. It will come 0. Again I have to return here 0 and 2 to the power 1. Again I have to multiply by this. It will come 0. Why? 2 to the power 0 is equals to 1 and 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Always any number power is 0 equal to 1, but it is multiplied by 0 again. So it will comes only 0. Here is 0 into 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power is what? Comes 1 and multiply by 0 is equals to 0. Next number is what? Here is 0 and multiply by 2 to the power 2 is equals to again 0. Why? It is comes 1 but it is multiplied by 0. Again it will come 0. Next is also same, but power is will change. 2 to the power 3 and equals to 0. Why 0? Because again multiply by 0. Now it is come here 1 into 2 to the power 4. It will comes again 16. Why? 2 to the power 4 equals to 16. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8 and 2 to the 8, 16. It will come 16. So multiply by 1 is equal to 16. So number is come what? 16. 16 is what? The decimal number. And conversion is what? Here is binary is what? 1 0 0 0 0. It is given in your book is wrong. Here is they forget that 0. Okay. This is called decimal to binary, and we can check by the help of this conversion. Divide is here and after that retrieve the data by multiple rule. Okay, I hope you understand more. Now what we have to do, I have to do the conversion between binary to decimal, binary to decimal. Okay, what I have to do in this, I have a number 1100. It is also given in your book. I have to convert into the decimal digit. I have to follow what rule? Multiple rule, multiply rule. What is the rule this for multiply? Multiply each number, multiply each binary digit to its respective position. Okay, respective position weight. So I have to follow the rule of multiply. I have a number, this is binary form, I have to convert what? 10, means decimal form. Okay, I have to return this number into here, into 2 to the power 0. This is multiply rule. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 0. As we discussed earlier, any power number is power is 0 is equals to 1, but here is multiply by 0, that's why 0 is here. Again I have to return here 0 into 2 to the power 1, it is also equals to 0 because multiply by 0. I have to return here 1 into 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4. 1 into 2 to the power 3, it equals to 8. What it will come? It will come 12. 8 plus 14, 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 12. That's why 12 is here in the place of 10. What was number? 1100, or we can, sorry, 1100. We will call this number as 1100. It is a binary form, convert into the tens form. Okay, let me check the number. It is come 12 is right or not, it is correct or not. We have to follow divide rule. How? 12 is divided by 2. Why 2? Because we want to convert now that position. This is binary. 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6 is quotient, and remainder will be 0. Again divide by 3, 2 comes 3 here, here will be 0. Again I have divided at 2, 1 is 2, remainder will be 1. So it is come as like this, but bottom to top. I will write this number as like 1100. This is the binary form. So both are this form and this form is the equal. We can say it is correct. Okay. So this type of work we can check our answer also. I hope you understand more. Thank you, bache.